Hey guys, welcome back to Country Living with the Wades. I'm Philip, and today's video is another repair on my Cadet zero-turn 54-inch mower. This one is with the deck wheels. One of the deck wheels had gotten worn really bad. I guess I hit enough tree stumps or fence posts or something till it was bent out enough times it was wobbling. And it actually had made the hole in the deck mounting piece too large. So when I got the new wheels to put on, it was still going to be wobbly. But there's a real simple hack to take care of this problem without modifying your deck. Watch and enjoy. Oh, don't forget to subscribe. Oh wow, look at that bolt wobble around. The hole in this part right here on the deck is completely worn, much larger than it's supposed to be. Let me see how bad it really is. It's just really wobbled out bad. This hole is. Well, this is the new part I'm putting on. Got my bolt in from this side. The shouldered side of the wheel goes to the deck. Then I put my washer on that came with it, and then the new nut. Boy, that's all. Look at how wobbly that is in there. It should not be that wobbly. I need to correct that because otherwise it will just tear this back up. I could put it in another hole, but to put it in another hole changes my deck height that I'm trying to control. I'd like to continue to use the same hole right here. Well, let's see what comes in the package. You have 2 bolts. You have 2 lock nuts. They don't require a lock washer. You have 2 flat washers and 2 wheels. Now let's begin with the wheels. Notice the wheel has a smooth side here and it has a shouldered side here. The shouldered side goes next to the deck because it needs that clearance to make sure that if this thing wobbles, it does not scrub on the deck. Number 2, the bolts will always go through from the outside to the inside. And you'll notice the bolt has a shoulder on it. There's a washer that goes on, but the washer will not go past the shoulder. And then there's the lock nut. So normally the way it is, there's a bolt, goes through, this goes into the deck, and then from the deck side, the flat washer is put on, and then the lock nuts put on. Okay, and it's tightened down until this is really tight, and when the shoulder is tightened up tight to the deck with a washer, the wheel will still easily spin. But what if the hole that this goes in wobbles? There is a solution. Let's look at the bolt. The washer that's supplied with a bolt fits very, very close. Now, I've spilled out a lot of washers over here, but if I get a washer that's spec'd for this size bolt, I put it on, it's real loose. Look, it's real loose. But the one that comes with the bolts, it's designed to press tight against the shoulder, and it fits good. It doesn't have hardly any wobble at all. But what I need to do is I need to put this washer with this washer against the deck because that hole's already walled out. I need to put the threads through. Then I need to take another washer that's designed for this size bolt, put it on, and then put the lock nut on. Now, it requires 2 extra washers, and you do have the clearance for it. That's not a problem. That gives you a large flat area on either side of the deck support piece, and you tighten it down completely tight, and that will compensate for that hole in the deck that's wobbled out. Let's see how it works. All right, so here's the hack. I'm putting the bolt through like it's supposed to be. Then I'm putting the supplied washer that fits tight against the shoulder on. Then I'm putting another 3/8 washer on, a thick one that's a larger diameter. And then I'm putting it through the deck piece, putting another large 3/8 washer on the back side. And then I'm putting my nut on. Tighten it all the way up. All right, it's tightening up now. Make sure it's good and tight. All right, that's good and tight. Look there. Wheel still spins just like it's supposed to, and there's zero wobble, and I still have all the clearance I need for the wheel. That extra washer on each side that's a larger diameter presses tight against the deck and makes it hold solid.